Talking about laptops. Anybody knows my look at this laptop on the desk right here. Jeez. We were looking at it earlier. We're like, that's quite aggressive, isn't it? And I was like, is it too much? Is it too aggressive? And Kirk was like, what's wrong with aggressive? He looked at me right like that, you see? And I was like, geez, man, take it easy. Because he thought the set had like a futuristic vibe. So all of a sudden it was the Predator. This is this video out when they're watching this? Maybe. If you haven't seen the video on this laptop, I just unboxed this thing on Unbox Therapy. Go check it out. It's bananas. It's so crazy. I mean, I'm not going to do a full thing on it here, but it's so crazy and unusual that I just had to use it for a little bit, and that's why it's sitting here. No, it's not my daily driver. It's not going in the laptop bag. It's it weighs almost 10 pounds. It kind of is at home in a nice setup. It's a gaming laptop with a huge display. Very nice for this purpose, actually, here. But you're looking at it, you're like, well, what happened to the X1 Carbon? You spoke so much about the keyboard. You love it. 2.5 pounds. Did you change your point of view there, Lou? No, that didn't happen. I'm having a little bit of fun right now, but in the laptop bag, it's the X1 Carbon 6th generation, which brings me to my next story. The Gen 7, this is good news, good tech news. The Gen 7 version of the laptop I love so much is now finally available. It got lighter. Apparently, they improved the sound. It got thinner. And now it's got the carbon fiber weave pattern. And, of course, it's got the updated specs. They've also come out with Gen 4 of the Yoga version, which flips all the way around with the touchscreen, gives you the tablet-like functionality with the laptop specs as an alternative option. So there are a limited number of SKUs for this new version that are available right now. You can order them, though. I didn't see custom orders available yet, just a series of different models that were available. Will's showcasing some of them there. There's new screen options. You can get up to 500 nits of brightness on the X1 Carbon. I think it's like 450 or 480 nits of brightness, something like that. On the Yoga version, options up to HDR 4K UHD. It's all very exciting. So my favorite laptops at the moment have gotten updates. They are now available. And maybe, Willie, maybe you have an update. I don't know. Maybe you have an update because I sent you a message. I said, when can we get these new ones in studio?
Mm-hmm. They're going to be sending them. Not too sure when. Hopefully soon. Yeah, soon.
That's your update, is just the word soon?
Yeah.
I feel like I could have done that on my own. That's the Willie Do update, ladies and gentlemen. Da-na-na, da-na-na.
Soon.
Is it too late for us to switch to Jack in the spot there?
No, there's always room for Jack here.
Maybe is that black box over there? Is that not maybe one of them?
That one's the Razer.
Oh, okay, it's a Razer laptop. I mean, there's so many laptops. Who knows? We can't keep it all together. But anyway, we're going to have videos on these particular laptops very shortly. But it's exciting times. They've improved. One of the major drawbacks on the only drawback, really, as far as I was concerned, on the 6th generation of the laptop, that's how much I liked it. Well, two things. I wanted a slightly brighter display. More resolution is always better, so that became an option. And then the sound. They claim to have improved it significantly. They got the Dolby badge on it now. So if they deliver on those two pieces and improve battery life, supposedly, all of a sudden, you know, that's the type of stuff that gets me going. You see that, Will? I'm a simple guy. Hmm. It's like the Leonard Skinner song I was playing the other day. Mama told me, be a simple man. Is that how it goes, Will? You don't have to look it up. Anyway. That's me when it comes to this stuff. You give me a slight improvement in the sound. You give me a little more battery. And if I already like the product, don't overhaul it completely. Let's keep it going. Let's slim and trim. Incremental improvements are okay when products are that good. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Is that what they say? Mm-hmm.